Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to create a gradient button with an animation effect in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and I have a blank section right here. So we'll add the button right here on the middle. And then from here, we can open the inspector tool, and from the hover state of the button, make the background into white. So we will only be needing the regular button state. And then from here on, we will use the Wix Studio developer tools, but don't worry, I will guide you in how to use it. So just click on code, click on start coding, click on global CSS, and then make sure that we are selecting our button, and then we can use the button class right here. So we will be needing two of this, since we will be needing the hover background, the hover button state as well. So from here, just delete this. Just delete this text. Put a space. And then just delete the space. And then just delete this. And then we will be using background image, background size, transition, and then for the button hover state, we will use the background position. And then for the background image, what we will be going to do is go to this color space website and then go to the 3-color gradient, and then you can enter any colors that you want. So for example, I want this blue, and then green, and then to this yellow green. And then from here, click on generate. Choose the orientation to be like this as well. And then from here, we will just copy this code right here. We can just paste the code right here. And then now we can see that we have our gradient for our button. And what we're going to do is we will change the background size into 400%. Like that. And then for the transition, we'll make this into background in 8 seconds, and then ease in and out, so that we will have a transition animation for our button. And then for the background position, we will set this into 100%. So once we have finished this, we can now preview our button. And then as we can see, whenever we hover over our button, you can see that it is now changing its color gradient from blue to yellow-green. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to create the gradient button with an animation effect in Wix Studio. And thank you for watching.